Hey, oh my gosh, that video of making your own cheese sticks went crazy. There was a lot of questions. But I just wanted to know that this is called the Crinkle Cutter. It is from Pampered Chef, and I would appreciate your business if you just shopped in the link tree in my bio. Please don't go to Amazon. If you buy the Pampered Chef things on Amazon, they're typically like third party. They're actually not supposed to be sold on Amazon. A lot of times they're through like scammers and stuff like that. So if you just go to my link tree in the bio, you can just purchase it and it ships directly to you. Okay, may not be 2-day shipping as fast as Amazon, but I think we can all wait a couple days, right? So yeah, so that's the Crinkle Cutter Pampered Chef on the website. And then thanks for all the tips. A couple of you guys said to use gloves when handling cheese. It kind of prevents molding or something like that. So I don't know if it's true, but we're gonna go with it. And then there was a lot of questions about this bag. This is a reusable bag. It's got like a little zipper, but what's really cool about these, this is actually microwave safe. It's a sous vide bag. So we have a multi-cooker where you can sous vide. So it's good for that, but I like to use it for all the cheese sticks. And in case you're here and you're like, what the hell is she talking about? A couple weeks ago, I shared the tip of making your own cheese sticks and saving some money. It's a lot cheaper to buy the block than cheese sticks, and they look cute as well. So you can use the Crinkle Cutter and then cut it once and then cut it again, and you have these cool little sticks for your kids, or for adults too, right? Adults love cheese as well. And then you can store them in the bag for the week, and you are ready to go. So if you have any other questions, comment below. I would love to be your Pampered Chef consultant, okay? I would love to help you get anything you want for your kitchen. And if you have any questions or need recipes, I'm always just a comment away or a direct message as well. So here we go. Check it out, right? Here's a whole block. Again, we put them in this reusable bag. You can put them in a glass container or something as well. I just love this because it feels like cheese sticks, you know what I mean? So we'll put some in here and then we'll make another round as well. So thanks, guys.